Why do we create courses based on Microsoft certifications, and why should you take such courses? Hello, I'm Philip Burton of idodata.com. I have more than 40 courses on Udemy, and generally they are based on a current or past Microsoft certification. So why is this? What is the advantage, for instance, of my Power BI course being based on the PL300 certification? Well, the good news about these certifications is that these contain skills that Microsoft wants you to know. So if I click on the study guide, you can see a list of individual requirements that Microsoft wants you to know in order to pass this certification. But why should you be interested in certifications in the first place? Well, the 2023 Value of IT Certification by Pearson VUE says that candidates want to find better job opportunities and are rewarded for their efforts. 37% receive salary increases after earning their certifications, 36 anticipate one, and 27 accepted job promotions. Secondly, credentialed employees are more empowered and contribute greater value. 92% of candidates are more confident in their abilities, and 81% have more confidence to explore new job opportunities. Skill gaps will shrink faster with certification. Greater technology skills have become baseline norms following the pandemic, and it is much more convenient to take those certifications. 80% opted for online delivery of these courses. So 75% of people do these certifications because they have a need to reskill and upskill. 62% want to enhance their professional profiles. 59% advance and to be promoted. And 25% make a job change. So the great news about passing these certifications is you can put them on your CV, put them on your resume, and then it's not just you saying you have these skills, it's Microsoft saying that. Now, it's not just me saying this about our courses, it's also you. If I go to linkedin.com and look for the hashtag IDoData, we have got some reviews such as, I recently completed a comprehensive data analytics course where I gained in-depth knowledge and practical skills in data analysis. I developed proficiency in analysing large data sets, applying statistical techniques and deriving actionable insights from data. Another one, I've recently finished a preparatory course aimed at facilitating my transition into a role as a business intelligence and data analyst. And then another one further down. I'm excited to share that I've successfully completed a SSIS SQL Server Integration Services course. I've learned valuable skills in data integration and management that I apply in my work. So these people have been able to take what I've been able to teach and apply them to their work. They've gone through practical exercises and quizzes. They've had hands-on experience, and they've now gained actionable insights. And if all that isn't enough, a lot of people have also received pay increases as a result of taking these Microsoft certifications. Now, it is possible to learn quite a lot without taking any video courses. If you find a course you're interested in, like for instance the PL300, you can just Google it and then click on it and then scroll down. Here we can see a learning path. So if I click on any of these, then you get some information about individual topics. And this is a great complementary to a video course. I don't think these replace something like a video course. You don't get first-hand experience in the actual program. And for me, it's not good just being able to pass the certification. I want you to actually have knowledge of each of the individual items in the Microsoft certifications. And then through my courses and other means, be able to go back to an individual item if you need it in the future and go, I can't quite remember that, how do I do it? The advantage of Microsoft certifications is that with all of these different topics, if you are just trying to plan what you need to learn, well, you don't know what you don't know. Here is a list of items, including probably several things you didn't know you needed to know. And a Microsoft certification then forces you to know something about each and every one of these, just in case it comes up in the exam. It gives you a more well-rounded experience. Now, for me as an instructor, it allows me to ensure that I'm giving you an experience that you need. You have a curriculum designed by Microsoft. I do it in a different order, but this isn't a good teaching order. Instead, this is all of the skills in individual categories. The way that you learn them can be quite different. Now, these Microsoft certifications are recognized and valued by employers. So why not talk to your employer today about Microsoft certifications and see how they could affect your work? And with that recognition is the recognition of you having acquired these skills and knowledge that your industry requires. A comprehensive curriculum such as this covers various aspects of the technology and role, minimizing knowledge gaps. And for me, as an instructor, having a structured curriculum like this helps avoid design creep. I'm not just saying, oh, there's one more thing I need to teach you and another and another. I can stick to something which is well-rounded and not go off as a tangent. Now, I also need to add in things like practical exercises, hands-on experiences, quizzes, and practice tests. So this is a great start for me. However, there are some times where I might need to build in steps leading to individual items, so I'll be teaching slightly more than this certification because you might need to start from absolute zero to get to a particular stage. So, in summary, having a Microsoft certification as the basis for many of my courses is good for you because the certifications are recognized and valued by employers. It's good for us because we know the skills that we need. And it's good for me because I can look at how you are learning. I can look at the progress you have made and go, you have been able to achieve because of these certifications. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you want to see any of our courses, then please go to our website, daunting, where you will see details of all of our courses. If you like this video, then please click the like and why not subscribe? That way you'll be notified of any new videos. In the next video, we're going to have a look at why you should look at a Udemy course instead of watching YouTube videos. What is the advantage for you? There is a link to this video on the end screen, so please click it now. I'm Philip Burton of iDoData.com. Thanks for watching and keep learning.